Another thing! Ano ba yan? Hindi na ako natapos sa mga beats na bibilhin. So, you know, I love Beats talaga. From the Beats headphones that you've seen in my other vlogs. And then also, I've also bought the newer Beats, the wireless ones. And, oh, by the way, this is the wired one. But I thought I'm over Beats. Pero hindi talaga. This was released in 2024. And now I just bought something from Power Mac. Another thing! Ano ba yan? Hindi na ako natapos sa mga Beats na bibilhin. Pero, hinanap ko kasi ito sa digital walker and I tried and I nag-ask ako ng sign. Pag nahanap ko to sa digital walker or sa Power Mac, I'm really gonna buy it. And I think it's really made for me. It's the Beats Pill! We're gonna unbox it today. I'm really excited, guys, because this is the champagne color. I like the red Beats Pill, lalo na yung original, yung bata pa tayo. But this one is the 2022 version. It's really nice. They only had one stock sa Power Mac MOA ko pa to nakuha. And sobrang sakto, isang stock lang to, tapos naka-display lang siya. So, I think this is really made for me. Sana also it's working. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this and also we're gonna try it out. I got the champagne color and this is the box. I'm not sure if you can see it, pero there's a Beats Pill na parang debossed or embossed. Debossed ba yung tawag sa paloob? Anyway, so ayan, it's really nice. So this is the box. And then, what else? Let's just do a quick look at the box. So yan, nakalagay lang Beats Pill, Beats logo, and then that, and then you have the regular things here at the back as well. Yun lang. And just the serial number at the bottom. So let's unbox this real quick. You know, Beats was bought by Apple, I think. I don't remember. I think 2016 ba? 2015 or 2018. I'm not sure. But anyway, so since they were bought, they have this unboxing style na. So let's open it in 3, 2. Unboxing ASMR. Ayan. So, para din siyang yung itong mga bago nilang wireless buds. Ganun din yung feeling nung unboxing experience. Parang Apple nga. So, let's open this. I'm really so excited, guys. Excited na akong open to. Ito na siya. Ayan. Charan! It's so nice, guys. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. It's the Beats Pill. Tanda ko yung bata pa tayo. It's not really this long. It looks longer now, I think. And ang ganda ng champagne color, guys. Champagne gold. This is rubberized yung sa likod. And then, this one is yung metal. It does not feel super premium. You know, like before. Pero, ever since naman sa totoo lang, Beats does not really feel that premium. Even yung bata pa tayo, yung mga wired solo, hindi talaga naman siya ganun ka-premium eh. Pero, it is designed really nice. Let's take this out. So, hopefully, madali lang itong tanggalin. We'll see. Before I take out the stickers, ayan, yung nakalagay. So, this one looks like it's the play, pause button. And then also the forward and play. Siguro pag dinoble, click mo or something. The plus and minus for the volumes, I think. And then this is the power button. So, let's take out the paper. Nig niyo ba? Unboxing. MSR. MSR? ASM. Yan. I'm so happy. Ang ganda niya, guys. This one is rubberized. Ngayon pa lang, may mga dumidikit na alikabok. But, I'm okay. We'll try to sync it with my phone real quick because this is just a quick unboxing. Also, before we try it pala, I'll show you what else is in the box. So, ito yung lalagyan niya. Sobrang ganda ng packaging, guys. cardboard. And then we have this, and then we also have the charger cable. This one, I think mga ano lang siya. That was not satisfying. Scan for product guide. What is this? Ano pa ba to? Para siyang mini manual. And then we also have... Puro ganito naman sila. First 3 months ng free music. Pero you can't get these free music if you already have the subscription. Dahil, di ba? Pero you have also the stickers. I really love the stickers ng Beats. Actually, hindi ko pa ginagamit. Yung mga nandito, hindi ko pa ginagamit. And also for my other Beats. Isa lang yung nilagay ko sa kotse. So it's really nice. We have the red one and the black one. It's nice. So I have another sticker from Beats. And then, we also have the actual manual. I think this is the actual manual. So ayun, yun lang yung 4 things here in the thing. in the thing. And then again, the USB cable. So let's try to see how it sounds. This is just a quick test, not a really good test. So I'm just gonna pair it with my phone kasi where else do you want this paired? Ang ganda ng tunog din. Narinig nyo? Ang ganda. Sobrang parang premium. Anyway, where's my phone? I don't have my iPhone, so I'll just pair it here with my Samsung Fold. Kasi you can pair this, by the way, guys, to your Apple devices or even to Samsung. Hindi siya parang yung madaling pairing sa Samsung as far as I can tell. You can just click it here naman. Mabilis lang siyang available. It's in 50% yung default niya. Ang ganda nung I mean, usually nakikita ko tong mga gantong layout sa iPhone. So I'll do a quick test on some music. Okay, first impressions, nararamdaman ko talaga yung beat. But it's not what I expected. It's nice, but I've heard better speakers. But still, I'm really happy about this kasi the sound quality is nice, pero talaga the design is really, really nice. You know, a device that you can just display anywhere. Although I do have my have a Marshall with almost the same color, yung Marshall na beige. But it's quite small. It's just the Marshall Willin. So I'm gonna try to put this and sync it on the TV to see if it's gonna be loud. But I'm gonna try one more song. I'm gonna try something that's... by the way, it's 50% and it's already loud. So I don't want to try it more kasi there are reviews about this also na if you put it to the highest level, medyo nagka-crack na yung sound and I don't want to do that. Alam mo, sobrang ganda nito. Guys, when gonna use this in the house or even, I think I can imagine it sa beach. Kasi malapit na mag-March. It's January na, so malapit na mag-summer ulit, guys, here in the Philippines. And I'm really excited to use this. Although, yung Marshall maganda talaga, but this one, I think, would really be louder. It already is loud even though in 50%, so I can't wait to use this! Ayun, thank you so much for watching, guys. This is just a quick unboxing. Hope you like this. If you do like my videos, please do like, share, and subscribe. Also, please, just do the regular YouTube things, guys, please. And thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one or see you in the next one. Bye!